Hello everyone, welcome back to another mid-month market review. Today is March 16th and I do have the numbers exactly until the March 15th, which is the middle of the month. So I don't want to take too much time and let's dive straight in. So for a detached homes, we see really still strong growth with the sales of 113% over the last year, which is more than double than the last year. New listings are 45% higher. Still, because of so high demand, we still have minus 26% of the active inventory. Pending listings are much higher over here, almost 6 times. I think this is because the same reason, like I said in a few previous updates, because of the way how we report data starting the mid last year because of some system changes. So still really strong number. It shows that sales is so much up. We see the medium and average price went up as well, and the average days on the market are down for about a third. Good news overall. So I'm going to switch over to row and townhouses. So sales for row houses is almost double, 97% up. New listings are 14% higher, and active listings are 11% lower than at the same time last year. Median and average price are still up, and average days on the market are down for about just over 11%. Semi-detached, we do have 51% more sales, 29% new listings, and active listings are about 1/3 lower than at the same time last year. However, we see that median and average price actually went down for 6.5% and about 2.5%, and days on the market are actually almost half of what they were last year. And for the apartment segment, it's a good news. Sales is almost 40% higher. New listings are still almost following the sales with almost 33% up, and active inventory is 3% higher than at the same time last year. Pending sales is still outperforming the last year. That's a good to see. And median price is about just below 1% higher, but average price is about 0.5% lower, and days of the market are 20% down. There is something that you really need to know. There is a lot of talk about the hot market out there, that we are almost like in some sort of a bubble. I wanted to say that market is busy, but you still need to price your home to the market. We are not Toronto, we are not Vancouver, where you can just put a price tag and it's going to be gone. Okay, we are still selling in Calgary just about 60% of what is being listed. So it means that 40% of the listings are just not selling. So if we compare Toronto and Vancouver, or good part of Ontario actually, and some parts of BC, over there is over 100% listings sold versus what is being listed. So we are not in that market. So please be cautious. Don't get caught in a trap thinking that you can just get any price you want on the property. We still see price reductions on the market, which means that not everything sells. So be mindful. Please be careful when it comes to the pricing. About the report itself, keep in mind, this is the last report that we're going to be that I will be comparing this year with the last year, just because if you remember, in mid-March last year, everything has shut down. The sales has slowed down dramatically. So the numbers are going to be very much different. But at the end of the month, comparing to the last year, they're going to be so much higher. It's going to be triple or quadruple, just because there was nothing selling because we were in a lockdown, right? So stay tuned, watch my market update next month, and I'll be doing the things a little bit differently. I'm looking forward to hearing back from you. Don't forget to subscribe, and also you can watch the video over here of my March market update. Take care.